In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a monday.com board link. Sharing project boards on monday.com has made collaboration across teams not just easier but more structured. Whether you are managing a team, part of a project, or just need to share your progress with stakeholders, sharing your monday.com board is a handy skill. Today I'll make sure you understand every step of the process so you can share your boards with ease and confidence. First things first, let's navigate to the Monday board you wish to share. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, you're presented with a dashboard that's likely bustling with various boards, each representing a unique project or workflow. For newcomers, monday.com boards are essentially digital workspaces where you can visualize and manage your work. It's where all the magic happens, so to speak. Now, to choose the board you want to share, simply look through your dashboard for the specific board. You might find it under My Boards if it's one you visit frequently, or under Recent if you've worked on it lately. Each board is represented by a title that should give you a clue about its contents, making it easier for you to identify the right one. Once you've located the board in question, click on it to open. Upon opening the board, take a moment to ensure it's the correct one. You'll see all the tasks, projects, or processes laid out in front of you. It's a good practice to verify you've got the right board to prevent any unintended sharing, especially if confidentiality is a concern. Next, look towards the top right corner of your board's interface. Here you'll find a link icon, which is your gateway to sharing the board. This icon might blend in with other icons, so keep an eye out for a chain link or something similar. Clicking on this icon will bring up the board's unique URL. This URL is what you're going to share with others, granting them access to view the board. However, before you rush to share this link, there's an important consideration to make regarding privacy settings. Monday.com offers various privacy levels for boards, including private, shareable, and public options. Make sure your board is set to the appropriate privacy setting to manage who can view or edit your content. It's crucial to ensure you're not inadvertently sharing sensitive information beyond your intended audience. You can adjust these settings in the Boards Share options, typically located near where you found the link icon. Now that you have the board's link copied and you've ensured the privacy settings align with your sharing intentions, it's time to distribute the link to your team or stakeholders. This can be done through multiple channels such as email, chat messages, or even embedded in documents. When sharing, it's helpful to include a brief note on what the recipients are being invited to view, especially if they're not familiar with monday.com. A little context goes a long way in ensuring smooth collaboration. In addition, if you're sharing with someone who hasn't used monday.com before, it might be worth mentioning that they may need to create an account or log in. A quick tip for smooth access: remind them to check their email for an invitation if they need to create a new account, as this often eases the process. So, in summary, navigating to your chosen board, clicking on the link icon to copy the board's URL, checking the privacy settings, and then sharing the link with your intended audience with a little context are the simple steps to sharing your monday.com board. Remember, sharing your workspaces on monday.com is not just about transparency, but also about fostering collaboration and alignment across teams. As you get more familiar with these steps, you'll find that sharing boards becomes second nature, enabling you to work more efficiently and effectively with others. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your experience with monday.com even more seamless and collaborative. Happy sharing!